Hi, everyone, and welcome to week one of the Success Principles coaching program with me, Lesley Strachan. I'm a Jack Canfield certified trainer in the Success Principles, put the teeth in, and I'm an author of The Ultimate Guide for Parents, How to Help Your Kids Become Self-Confident, Happy, and Passionate. So today is week one of 13 weeks of coaching. And the idea is that you will get some personal development out of this as well, which will be amazing. So if you've never heard of Jack Canfield, you've probably heard of Tony Robbins. He wrote the book called The Success Principles. And if you sign up for these courses, then you can get an ebook completely free. All you need to do is register for all the sessions. And there you go, you've got a free ebook. I was so impressed with what Jack did that I decided to be a Canfield coach and studied online, then went out to America to get certified. And I absolutely love his work because it's made such a change to my life, you wouldn't believe. So today, this is a bit of a tricky one because everyone will say, yeah, I take 100% responsibility for my life. But do you really take responsibility? I know I don't in many ways. And one way is, for many of you who know me quite well, that I got diagnosed with type 2 diabetes last year, and I still really haven't got control of it because I'm not taking 100% responsibility for what I'm doing. So today we're going to go through an exercise to see where you're not taking 100% responsibility. And it can be anything. I've given you my example. It may be that you're not going to the gym, or it may be that you're not handing in your assignments on time. It may be that you're not taking 100% responsibility for your own health and fitness. And you'll be able to see that incrementally, about 5% at a time, you can take more responsibility. So there's the PDF in the chat right now, which you can pick up if you'd like to. If you're on my mailing list, you can get the free book by Jack Canfield. So grab a pen and paper or a gadget, whatever you want to do. And if you were to take 5% more responsibility for your life, what would you do? Would you exercise for 30 minutes a day as recommended? You'd only eat fast food one time a week. You could meditate more often. You could turn up for work on time more often. And if you're watching this as a student, turn up for all your classes, get more sleep, go to bed 15 minutes earlier, don't watch hours and hours of TV, switch off from your gaming from time to time, spend some time with your kids. I'm just going to pause for a second and let you write that down. If you were to take 5% more responsibility for your life, what would you do? Okay, so having taken responsibility or taken more responsibility, what I want you to do is practice that every single day. Pick one thing that you're going to take forward. And then we're going to move on to transforming your language now. So the words that you use can really shape your future, your reality. And I worked with a lot of students at Coventry University last week and Northampton. And we looked at the difference between the use of the language. So again, you can grab a piece of paper, left-hand side, right-hand side, put I can't in there. I can't do that. Let's take an example. I would say, I can't jump out of a plane. But for me, I choose not to jump out of a plane. It's not my bag. I could say, last week I was away on a course and everyone was climbing Mount Snowdon in Wales. And I could say, I can't climb Mount Snowdon. I could, but I choose not to, and went up on the train instead. We had the same conversations with lots of gorgeous people on the course, but it's a choice that you make rather than a negative statement of how things are. So we could say, oh, this is a problem, my mum's a problem, this is a problem, that's a problem. but it's an opportunity or a challenge. It's an opportunity to do things different, or a challenge if it's a problem to do with work, home, mortgage, money, anything you like. So I want you to try and listen to the language that you use. And you could use like, I could, I should, maybe I could, to deciding then, do you want to? You know, I should do more of this. I should do more of that. I should speak to my family more often. But do you want to? Because if you don't, there's actually no point committing to it and having these bees go round in your head and thinking, oh, I should do that. Oh, I should do that. Do you want to? And if the answer is no, don't do it. This is your life. We only live once. So what I'd like you to do is keep a diary every day. It can be really, really short. It can be online. It can be in a journal, whatever you like to do. Think about the language you use on a daily basis and how you could change that language to actually improve your confidence. So the next thing is about understanding what we call in the Canfield methodology about understanding yellow alerts. You know, when you get that gut instinct and you think, you know, that does not feel right, does not sit with me very well at all. And we often, as human beings, look particularly at ignoring our gut instinct and our intuition. And this is called ignoring your yellow alerts. If it doesn't feel right, if it doesn't look right, reconsider whether you want to say that thing, do that thing, go to that place. So try and be more in tune with what your body is actually telling you, because it doesn't lie. So we've covered a number of things today about responsibility. We've looked at the yellow alerts. We've looked at language. So I want to know, what was your biggest takeaway today? Drop me a message in the chat and let me know. If you've attended live, then you get Jack's book. If you didn't attend live, just drop me an email and let me know that you want it. That would be fabulous. So this is a short, bite-sized piece of information and training today. We do have longer trainings for professional staff, and we also have a course for careers leaders, employability, and what's the other one? Apprenticeship staff as well. So we've got personal one-to-ones and group coaching for students. So what I want you to do is book an exploratory call about life coaching, because I don't know that it's going to work for you or not. And I don't know whether it's going to work for your students or not. The only way through this is to explore this with a call. Okay, there won't be any selling, because I only sell to you if you want to be sold to. So book an exploratory call. My Calendly link's at the bottom of the slide there. Or you can book an exploratory call and see whether the life coaching course that's on offer via my Thinkific site is for you as well. By the end of that course, you will be super changed in terms of your responsibility, your yellow alerts, the language that you use. We do vision boards, we do smart goal setting and things like that. So if you're feeling a bit stuck, frustrated with any aspect of life, you can attend my weekly moments of coaching, or you can sign up for this life coaching course. So do one or the other today to make your life a lot better. 1, book an exploratory call. 2, you can sign up for my life coaching course today, which would be amazing. I look forward to seeing you. I have been Lesley Strachan at Lesley Strachan Coaching. I'm the UK leader in coaching the success principles, and I really, really want to help you move forward with your life. And I just want to thank you so much for watching.